The most luxurious designs usually feel calm because nothing is visually fighting for attention. Today, how to design elegant minimal compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert one main rectangular frame slightly off-center and place your image inside, adjusting the crop carefully for clarity and focus. Duplicate the frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a soft layered border effect. Keep the background clean using white, beige, or soft gray tones for a refined atmosphere. Add one thin line accent or geometric detail with very low opacity for subtle sophistication. Use position tools